Hi, this is Megan McDevitt, and this is my React project. So this is a website for 5 Points Bakery, which is a local bakery here in Buffalo. So their website is not great right now, and I wanted to make them a new one. So this is just the home page. You have a big photo, some text, it's a little Instagram bar. Where when you hover over it, the handle appears. If you click on it, it goes to their Instagram. So this is the homepage. There's also a little Facebook icon for their Facebook. On the About page, there's another picture, some text that needs to be written still. This will be a feature that's coming later. It's a little digital zine that I'm hoping to make for them. The event space section is about reserving this area for events. So it's got a carousel here. What I did with this one was instead of creating my own carousel, I used the uncontrolled carousel that they have in React Strap. So I pretty much I had to add a class name to make the sizing a little bit better. You can't control the size otherwise. But here I just used uncontrolled carousel and referenced different photos. I have one for the events and one for the menu page. So if you go down, there's some more text. There's a few cards with information. And if you click request more information, form modal pops up. And just Instagram and Facebook again, but smaller. On the menu page, this is something I'm going to integrate with my Node project. Is I'm going to have actual menu items. Right now, you click on the menu, it just pops up a PDF of the menu. These are buttons that I made and made so they change color when you hover over them. They invert. One of the big challenges I had with this project was the Nav Bar, because event space is a lot wider than every other bit of text. So it was all centered. If this were just event, this was all centered. And it took me a really long time to figure out that these were all flex objects, and that this was like expanding automatically to fit the text. So I had to set some things in my style sheet in order. So I had to set the flex grow to 1 and the flex basis to 0, and that did the trick. And I solved it by eventually I created some borders around it so I could see the squares that they were fitting into, so I could actually see what was going on. So that was a relief when I finally solved that. So this is the other carousel I was showing you. The contact page has a fun little cinnamon roll background that's fixed, and it's just a form. And then the press page still doesn't really exist. It just has that footer. So yeah, that's my 5 point site. Like I said, with my Node application, I'm hoping to change this menu into either a way you can actually order, or just at least a way for everyone to see the menu items and the price. So thank you.